Hi Seattle, today we are at Jo Malone, London. Follow me.
This is Jo Malone London, The Avenue, the brand new store at the Intercontinental Hotel in Bellevue, the first freestanding store in the Pacific Northwest. I will let you know how to get these beautiful hand-painted bottles at the end of this video.
I'm the store manager here at Jo Malone London. I'm here with Candice.
Yes.
Today, I'm taking you to their signature hand and arm massage experience. Their highly trained fragrance experts helped me find my perfect scent.
The lighter side.
We went through some scent pairing, and these are the two bottles I picked. As you relax, spray the pillow mist on Jo Malone towel. Gently take your hand. Wash your hands with foamy wash gel. A warm towel is wrapped around your hands. This relaxing touch helps to soften your skin, allowing the fragrance to absorb more deeply and calms your senses, quieting your mind. I really enjoy the scents I picked, and here is the special part.
Absolutely. So that's something very fun that we do at the store as well.
You can personalize your bottle cap with a complimentary engraving. You can add $6 to upgrade your bottle cap color. I upgraded mine to a pink cap. Look how cute it is. This is such a special touch, especially you're looking for a unique gift for your friends and family. The Jo Malone London Avenue in Bellevue store will have the grand opening from September 20th to 22nd.
So we're really excited to see you and Candice.
There are activities like free hand massages, flower workshop, and bottle painting. I will see you at the grand opening. Details and captions follow for more.